Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Turbo 3 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find the additional settings. Now let's tap on date and time. And as you can see here, we've got some options which are currently inactive. It is because we are using the automatic time and the time zone. So first of all, tap on those switchers to turn off these options. And now we can freely tap on date and just by swiping change the date, confirm it with OK. The same situation with the time, just by swiping and confirm it with OK. We can select the time zone, just tap on it, tap on the region, and here we've got the list of available time zones from which we can choose. So simply find yours and tap on it and it will be immediately applied. We can change also the time format, which is currently automatic. However, we can manually choose between the 24-hour and 12-hour format. So simply tap on the option like to use. You can also decide whether you want to use the dual clock, where your device will basically show the second clock with the time from a totally different place in the world of your choice. Right here we've got the China. So just tap on this switcher or tap on it again to turn it off. So this is the manual customization of date and time. Of course, you can go back to all previous settings just by tapping on those switchers at the top. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.